Hi, this is Ed from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2005 Hyundai Getz, stock number 6069. This ran from 09 2002 to 09 2005. It has a G4EC 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the G4EC 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 14-inch steel wheel flat tyre, left front mirror, left rear 14-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear tail light, right rear tail light, right rear 14-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 14-inch steel wheel flat tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, interior mirror, factory vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,